And Christmas spirit.
Christmas spirit.
My Christmas spirit!
Where's your half-Christmas spirit?
No Christmas stockings.
And they are Christmas stockings.
Christmas stockings.
Christmas stockings on a mantle.
Our Christmas stockings.
A Christmas tree. Like a Christmas tree.
Really?
Christmas tree, Christmas tree.
The Christmas tree.
What Christmas tree?
It is a family gathering.
I was expecting a small family gathering.
He wants to arrange a family gathering.
Why the family gathering?
I'll be at every family gathering.
Like green.
Festive and green.
Festive and
Holiday festive.
more festive.
More festive.
Festive.
Gift wrapping tournament.
Gift wrapping machine.
Gift wrapping machine.
Gift wrapping business.
Tips on gift wrapping, which
Gingerbread cheesecake, gingerbread mousse, gingerbread lattes.
Ooh, a recipe for gingerbread.
Gingerbread cookie for Jacques.
Popcorn, gingerbread.
Yes, every holiday season.
This holiday season.
It's officially the holiday season. A
Wonderful holiday season.
So, this holiday season,
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock.
Jingle bells. Jingle bells.
Jingle bells, jingle bells.